Yeah, what it is. You already know who this is. This double aka the streets medicine, you hear me? So St. Louis, goddamn me. You already know we gotta get it, you hear me? Never struck again a mixtape, real talk, it is what it is, you hear me? Big boy want big things. But I ain't finna play pretend or a fake or do none of that with y'all type niggas, you hear me? Real talk, goddamn I hate these fuck niggas, you hear me? These imposters, these wannabe. So goddamn me, I'ma put myself in position, I'm all in, nigga, third through Honda, nigga. Hey, I say big boy, want big things. Cause all his life he had big dreams, man. And it's real shit, because I'm speaking about me. This my life, nigga. Let me tune you into this motherfucker. I say big boy, doing big things. Cause all my life I wanted big things. Cause all my life I had big dreams. Didn't have a father support me with all my bad dreams. But now I got 3 kids, so that mean I'm all in. And if you see me climb the ladder, that mean I'm gon' win. I say never, ever, ever, ever struggle again. I say never, ever, ever, ever struggle again. Cause all my life I had big dreams to make it out the hood. Couldn't afford games and clothes, so I robbed the homies in the hood. Mama did all she could, she raised 5 boys. And 1 girl in the worst hood, I call it Blue Boy. I'ma put on for my hood, it's understood, boy. Watch me take off like a rocket, here's the proof, boy. It's only a couple of real niggas I will salute to, boy. The other 85% of these niggas is fake. So I'ma go so hard until I become great. Like Tony the Tiger, yeah, I'm fucking great. Had to put in work until I became straight. I was a hot head, I couldn't finish my plate. I had to be out in the streets like Way, just to get this cake for boy, get out my face. I got 2 magazine bitches around in the safe. I'm a big boy, I need hella space. I'm on another fucking altitude, I'm out of space. I'm on the gasoline, use it with no chase. First I hit the gas while I lean, I'm on the paper chase. And if you look in my eyes, you see the sense in my face. You gotta fit in my shoes to see the life I face. Let me bow my hands while I say my grace. But sometimes I feel like I'm trapped in this small space. God, give me the strength, cause I can't take no more. I say big boy, doing big things. Cause back in my days, I wanted big things. Cause all my life I had big dreams. Didn't have a father support me with all my bad dreams. But now I got 3 kids, so that mean I'm all in. And if you see me climb the ladder, that mean I'm gon' win. I say never, ever, ever, ever struggle again. I say never, ever, ever, ever struggle again. They say, Lord, you're supposed to save you. I'm crying out for help. Yeah, I am the mayor. I can't give a fake. I gotta keep on flying. I got 1 baby mama. We go through a lot of things. I'm just a big boy. I want a lot of things. I fuck with a lot of hope, but I leave them like a scratch off. And if you lucky to win, then we could take off. I got 1 bad chick, and she's the hot sauce. She go by the name Nikki. I'm about to cash out. Bend her ass over and blow her back out. Beat it just 1 more time before I pass out. Wake up early in the morning, yeah, I crash out. Leave that pussy wet before I spaz out. I don't ask her where she going, I just spaz out before it gets soft. And it's super fat. I love my baby mama, and that's that. She get my high respect.